is one of our little routes. Person's getting a stick. You got a stick, Cars? And we're going over to the forest. We had a big ice storm in the winter, so looks like a lot of damaged trees. We haven't been over here since then. The stick, Cars? Good job. Good job. This way. Down the hill. Come on, go in the park. Get your stick. Good job. It goes faster than I do. Lots of people walk here, so I can't take the leash off yet. I know the coast is clear. No, on the bridge. Good boy. Over the bridge. Good boy, you can do it. New experience for him. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Good job. Good job. Keep going. Good job, Cars. Find another stick. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. The path will get narrow over here. Check that smell. Don't go too far. Into the weeds. Tell everybody you came back. Good man. Okay, this is